Today, I'll show you how to print invoices in WooCommerce to streamline your order processing and provide professional documentation. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and install the PDF Invoices and Packing Slips for WooCommerce plugin. Click Install Now, then activate. Next, navigate to the plugin settings under WooCommerce in the Invoices/Packing tab. Here, you can enable the Show Print Invoice button for customers and attach PDFs automatically to order confirmation emails. You can also customize your invoice using the live template editor, add your logo, adjust fonts, and personalize the footer to match your brand. Once set up, go to WooCommerce orders. You'll see a small invoice icon next to each order. Click it to print a single invoice. For multiple orders, use the bulk actions drop-down to print all selected invoices at once. And that's it. With this plugin, you can efficiently generate professional invoices for your store, saving time and keeping your customers happy.